Yeah, take this next problem. A, a glass convex lens of refractive index 3 by 2 has a focal length 0.3 meters. Find the focal length of the lens when it is immersed in a water of refractive index 4 by 3. Okay, I have taken a lens. Initially, the lens have a focal length is given. Now, that lens which are immersed in some water, some liquid they immersed, then they ask him to find the what will be the focal length. Yeah, tell me now here. Initially, focal length, if I say f1, 1 by f1, which is equal to initial medium. So this is mu lens by mu medium minus 1. This is the basic formula for the lens focal length 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So case 1 we have this
Sir,
is
in this case, should we take R1 is equal to R2?
yeah, so no need to take, simply keep like that, simply keep the term as it is.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then they didn't talking about the radius now. Radius will remain same only. When I take the ratio will get cancel each other. So
Okay, sir.
initially they kept in some air medium. So initially the refractive index of lens is 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 1. Yes, this term is a constant. We have 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, right? Now I am taking the second lens, second case. Second case focal length I am calling it as 1 by f2, which is equal to what? Tell me now. So refractive index of lens is how much now? 3 by 2. Now the medium refractive index is 4 by 3. Okay. Earlier case 1 medium refractive medium is 1 air. Second case medium is water into
Yes, sir.
the lens radius or curvatures not changes. Radius are same only. R1 R2 we kept as it is. And here already f1 value given, we can substitute the f1 value also if you want. So now I'm taking the ratio between these two. If we have taken a ratio between these two, equation 1 by equation 2, then we'll come it as f2 by f1. f2 by f1 will come it as what? Tell me now. 1 by 2 by how much will come here? This is 9 by 8, isn't it? So this is 9 by 8 minus 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we should get the f2 value, f1 value given as 0.3, which is equal to 1 by 2 by 1 by 8. So which will be equal to 4. So then we'll come to by f2 is equal to 1.2.
Yes, sir.